Right, let's start off today's analysis. First of all, happy Diwali, guys. Happy Diwali. Do enjoy a blessed time with your friends and family. Do bust some crackers for me, will you? And yeah, just stay till the end of the video, and I'll make sure I'll give you two setups, and I'll be analyzing four other major pairs, right? So you'll be getting an idea on the overall forex market today. And today is a Monday market, October 20th. We can see we have no major USD news or the pairs that I'm going to talk about today. Yeah, let's start off with, so on the monthly, we are on the uptrend. The weekly, we are on an uptrend. On the daily, we are on an uptrend. On the 4 hours, we are also on the uptrend. So my overall idea for gold for the coming week, like this week and the next one, is something like we're gonna go for another all-time high. All right, definitely we'll be going for another all-time high, or at least reaching to the previous all-time highs, and then we can see a significant sell-off, right? So I will show you once we go closer. But for now, let's just mark out a few zones. So the zone's a good support region. 4150 to 4100. So this is a good 4-hour support region, right? Price fails to keep going up, comes back down, we can look for longs from this region. And apart from that, it's going to be this one that I saw on the daily. This one is available on the daily itself. From the daily, I could say that this is a very good support region, because price would have taken out previous week's low and trying to look for the next high for liquidity. So on the 4 hours, we have two major zones, and yeah, coming into the 1 hour, nothing much is clear. We don't have a very clear break of structure, a change of character, right? We don't have a very clear change of character. So yeah, so we can see that on Thursday, right? On Thursday, price has made a new high, come bit down, tried to make a new high, meaning sweep this place, but couldn't. We had a huge sell-off again. And again, towards the end of Asia, we still built up. Again, price failed to take up a new high, and from then we have always been going down, right? So this is 3 times that price was 2 times that one time price that made the high, and 2 other times that price tried to make another high but failed to do so, and we saw a major sell-off. So this is the same thing that we are going to be seeing. We're going to be seeing price going for another high, and we're definitely going to be seeing another correction, or maybe even 2 corrections, before we see price go up even further. So be very careful while trading gold. So I think we should be waiting for London session to open to see some, major liquidity coming into the market, especially today's a Monday market. So we'll have to wait for some time, for trades to happen. And also we are on an uptrend on the Asia session, right? So if price takes out Asia session lows while keeping Asia session highs intact, I will be doing my Asia setup. Now, yeah, these are the 2 major zones for gold, and nothing else is pretty good. Like, nothing else is that good, right? Coming on to the 4 hours for EURUSD. So price took out previous month's low, and then price seems to be going up, right? Yeah, this is a very clear 1 hour OB, It comes on the 50% of fib if you draw a whole swing. So sorry, yeah, so we'll be targeting this. This is from the daily analysis done on Friday. Let's continue with the same order block. Okay, looking at GBP, some things are going on in here. All right, so GBP. What are we looking at? So GBP also the same thing, right? So price took out the monthly lows, and from there, price has just been going up, right? So I would say we can target this. This is from the analysis done on Friday. We can target this for your buys if, right? We can target this for your buys if your weekly highs do not get taken out. If your weekly high, we have the weekly high and the previous day high at the same point, this yellow line right here. If that line doesn't get taken off, meaning if that piece of liquidity doesn't get taken off and comes back down in here, I think we can expect a buy. We can expect a very major buy, right? But you can see that I've already drawn a setup that is from the previous day. That was from Friday, basically. So from Friday, I am targeting. So on Friday, what happened is you can see price is easily making higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher lows, higher high, higher lows, coming into the 4 hours order block, right? The moment it tapped into the 4 hours order block, it's given me a change of character, and it's given me a break of structure, right? But price keeps to be going even further down, right? So what I could say is, since this is a call from last Friday, we can delete this. We can delete the 4 hours also, because it's not going to be valid the moment price. So this is your drawn liquidity, right? So it's not going to be valid the moment price takes out. We can take this as a new fresh order block. Can take this as a new fresh order block. Okay. On this could be your new fresh 15-minute order block. So you can go with a confirmation. You can go with a confirmation. Oh my god. Yeah, so you can go with a confirmation on your 1 minute or 5 minutes. Whatever works, if we see a lot of consolidation, do go for 5 minutes. But if it's just in and out, try to use 1 minute, try to get a good change of character and a break of structure and go with a confirmation OB, right? So we'll keep this as a very fresh order block. Now let's move into USDCAD, right? So USDCAD is pretty simple. We're just being on the up, right? We're just being on the up. We're going to be focusing on buys. So let's go down to the 1 hour. So on the 1 hour, we can see that this is an order block from Friday that has touched today. It has touched today. So this is still valid and we're still inside, the points and draws of liquidity. We do have the weekly lows below it, but I don't see any reason for price to go here, because since all the fair value gaps are mitigated and also just the draw on liquidity is upside, and price has already taken previous days low, right? So we're going to be looking for price to keep going up. Now we can see we have the weekly highs and we have the previous day highs as your draw on liquidities. We have a beautiful fair value gap. So, but all we need is just a simple 1:3. So since it's a 1 hour OB, I'll be looking for confirmation on the 5 minute side. All right. So on the 5 minute side, we can see that price has come down, tapped, made some good reaction. And this is today, right? So that's Friday and this is today. Price tap, made a good reaction, but no change of character or break of structure. Went back down. Good reaction. And now we can see price has made a change of character. Okay, hasn't still given me the break of structure yet to be going for the trade, but price has given me a change of character right here, made this high but failed to make another low, and now price has retraced a little. So if price takes out this and probably even this will be my order block, and this is where I'll be going an entry from, right? Which is 1.40086 and keeping my SL around 1.40051 and going for a neat 1:3 for 1.40192. So this is a trade that I am looking for today, and let's go into USD JPY, right? Nah, we'll skip USD JPY. We're still ranging, right? We still don't have a very clear breakout to the downside or an upside. So we'll wait for that. And yeah, I mean, that is it. It's a very simple trading day. I've explained everything very clearly, all the zones. Let me just repeat quickly. You guys can share, take screenshots of the setups. So for gold, we have 4150 till 4100, and your next support region will be 4025 till 4000. All right, so these two are your major support zones on the 4 hours. Coming down, we have a 1 hour buy zone in your Euro USD, which is at 1.16369 till 1.16272. Going down, we had a 4 hours OB from that day, and now since it was from the last week, we're going to be using a fresh 15 minutes for the downside, which is from 1.34600 till 1.34710, and we have a proper buy zone from 1.33319 till 1.33102. Coming into your USDCAD, do remember what I said about entering, right? How to enter. So do see that part again and then come back to the screenshot. So on the USDCAD, yeah, we have a 1 hour OB, right? The 1 hour OB is from your 1.40085 till 1.39971. So this is going to be your setup for today, and we skip USDCAD. We still don't have a proper change of character, and we still don't have a proper break of structure, like a continuation of the trend. So we'll wait for that. And yeah, that is it for today. I know the videos are quite a long one, but if you made it this far, do make sure you let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. I'll see you.